Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial I will going to show you how to create a Google form. Okay, first and foremost you need to open your favorite browser. I will open my Google Chrome. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. After that you can type your Google Google form, form form. Just hit the enter. Once you can see right hand side Google Apps, just click on here. You can see the plenty of options. Just scroll down. Once you can see the form, just click on it. Then select the blank form to create the new one. After that you can see this platform or this page. Just you can rename your title programming steps. After that you need to add a small description about your title. Let me add this. This is a QUIZ quiz about or you can say containing basic MCQs. Okay, after that you need to add the questions, and you can see once you can click the drop down list, you can see plenty of options here. You can see short answer, paragraph, checkbox, multiple choice, drop down, many more will be there. Just you can select this one. After that you can add the question title, or you can say, or you can type questions what you want. And let me add which data type is immutable, okay, in Python. Okay, after that you can add the options which one is right. Let me add list. Second option I will say tuples. After that set, and fourth one is what you can say, dictionary. Okay, dictionary. So if you want a few more questions to add this one, just click on this plus icon and you can add the questions what you are want. Okay, and make sure you can add the or turn on this quiz mode. Just you can turn on this one. Come to the questions. So once your form is ready to share, then you can make copy responder link, or if you design your form more respectful, or it will look like a beautiful, just customize theme. Click here. You can see if you want to change the colors, you can just change the colors using this one. If you want to add header images, just click on here. After that you can choose which one you want. I just click this one. After that insert. Once you can insert, it will come to here. Just wait. You can see how it look like. Once your form is ready to share, just come to here, copy responder link. Just copy this one and share via email or WhatsApp, any social media. Let me share this one with WhatsApp. Just control V, enter. Okay, so this is how we can create and how you can share a form using the Google form, guys. Okay, if you found this is helpful, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.